All right, let's talk about a powerful idea, active recovery. It could change everything.
We're always told to take a rest day.
But what if there's a smarter way to do it?
So on one side, you've got passive rest. On the other, this dynamic, active approach.
Turns out, it's not just about tired muscles. There are hidden enemies holding back your progress.
One of them is metabolic waste. Think of it as, well, gunk clogging up your muscles.
And then there's CNS fatigue. This is when your brain, not just your body, is totally fried.
Okay, so this all leads to a huge problem. It's all about the stress hormone, cortisol.
And it creates this nasty feedback loop. Basically, it just stalls your growth completely.
But here's the good news. You can actually take control and counter-program all that fatigue.
I love this idea of weaponizing recovery. It totally reframes how we think about rest, right?
So how does it work? It's all about strategic, low-intensity blood flow. Nothing crazy. The benefits are huge. You're clearing out waste, avoiding CNS burnout, and accelerating repair.
See, this isn't just resting. This is truly biological optimization, a total upgrade.
You're just getting way more results from the same work. Your body's repair process gets supercharged.
So, what's the bottom line here? The potential impact on your gains is, well, it's massive.
We're talking about a potential twofold increase in your weekly gains. Yeah, double.
Think of this as your primal blueprint for hitting peak performance in the modern world.
You're not just resting, you're doing biological counter-programming against that intense training.
So you've optimized your work. The real question is, are you ready to optimize your recovery?